Hi, Kiko's Toy Box. Today we are opening the So Cool fridge. And this is the back, and it comes with 6 mini Shopkins, which are little eggs. So you have to push, pop, and drop the little ice cube, which we don't have, so we're using different Shopkins. So let's open it up. Let's open it. So you just knocked down like whatever. We'll put this to the side. Okay. Now that we opened it, now let's take off. Let's open this and free this fridge and the baby. And the baby little. They're in jail. Okay. Let me put that on here. Okay, it's about to line. Oh, sister, let me do this. Oh, thanks. Oh, there's a little bucket. I didn't know that one was right there. Okay, let's get all these rubber bands off. Yeah. Okay. No. Okay. Rubber band. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Stay right here. Stay right here. Okay. That's okay. Okay, let's open the eggs up, and they're falling all over the place. Okay, now let's free these little guys. I'm gonna have to do it on the table. Yeah, I got them.
I can't get.
Okay, got one.
I have to be the.
Got two. Got two. Exclusive Shopkins that I don't know which. This one's a yogurt and this one's soda, which I'm gonna put them in the fridge. And see the other exclusive Shopkins, they're little mini eggs, and I'm going to put these little Shopkins in here.
We are going to put.
Okay, and my sister's putting more Shopkins in the refrigerator. No. I'm going to put one here and here so that she doesn't know where it is. Okay, my sister's funny. I did it. Okay, as you can see, these are little tiny eggs. Those are exclusive in the set. There's a lot of exclusive Shopkins, and I am going to put some more Shopkins in there. After I put all the Shopkins in there, they will be so cute. And Sophia, no! And I'm going to put the cup in. Then watermelon comes out. Cute, huh? Okay, this fridge can fit 25 Shopkins in here. Okay, this fridge comes with 1 cup, 2 exclusive Shopkins, 2 bags, and some stickers to decorate the fridge. Now let's decorate the fridge. So what I'm gonna pull off is this, which so you need this because you need to check off one of the things that you need, which 2 are checked off. And this I'm going to peel off, and this is great one. It says all the fruit and vegetables, and it really is sticky. So I'm going to put it on the fridge right here. And I'm going to put the pen. Hey, Sophia. Now I'm going to have the pen right here. And then I'll take Wobbles. Wobbles is going to go right here. And Wobbles is cute. This stylish donut is going to go right here. here is our finished fridge. Okay, this is a mini drawer that pulls out and you can take it out. And then here's another one which I filled up with the exclusive Shopkins on our Shopkins. And which this one opens. And the cool fridge door opens. And then my sister is just doing something funny. And she's putting Romy in the refrigerator. Which that's funny.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.